You went to see your boyfriend. Dressed like this.
Hey! One shirt pants. One more brazier.
Mommy, it's fashion.
Come on, go wash my panties.
So if you can't wash your panties, how are you going to wash my singlet and my boxers when we get married?
Relax. When we get to the bridge, we'll know how to cross it.
As a lady, I advise you to at least try to wash your own panties. It's for your own good.
We are not yet married, and you are complaining.
Mimuna, how are you?
Fine, thank you, ma'am.
Where is Dorin?
She's not awake yet. She's still sleeping.
Okay. Dorin. Dorin. Hey, Dorin. Are you still in bed at this time of the day?
Mommy, it's weekend. I don't have anywhere to go. I don't have anything to do too.
You don't have anything to do? Are you not supposed to assist Mimuna in cleaning the house?
Mommy, she's not the house help. Are you not paying her for that? Why should I help her?
Hey! Come on, get out from there and go and clean the place for me.
Hey, Mima, Sunday. Why didn't you finish washing my clothes?
I don't understand. I've watched everything you gave me to watch.
So how come you left my panties unwashed?
But sister, how do you expect me to wash your panties for you? I've washed your clothes and your braziers. The least thing you can do is to wash your own panties.
Oh, wow. So you have the mouth to talk back at me, right? Wait, have you forgotten your position here in this house? You are a maid, a common maid. Come on, go wash my panties.
Look, as a lady, I advise you to at least try to wash your own panties. It's for your own good.
How dare you talk back at me? What right do you even have? Oh God. Who gave you the authority to talk back at me? No, I'm asking you a question.
Yes, Madam has sent me to bring her juice. Give you biscuits.
Really? You should just do that. Hey, Memuna, come back here. Finish your. What do you think you have?
The juice you biscuit.
Thank you. You have to go in there, change, You go to the market. I'm writing the list of things that we need. Okay. And I don't know. I'm not done yet, but
Hey, Memuna, who's the middle of what you did? How dare you walk out on me? Whilst I was still talking to you? Who even gave me that audacity to do that to me? Who do you think you are in this house?
Hey! So you don't even respect my presence? Mimuna, what's going on here? What happened?
Ma, she only gave me her things to wash. But I realized she had her panties in there. So I took them aside and I washed the rest. That's the reason for her anger.
You go upstairs and get ready, okay? Then you come for the list and the money, so you rush down to the market.
Look at her.
Hey! Is that how I brought you up? So you cannot wash your own panties. Common panties, you cannot wash.
Mommy, that's why she's here in the house. She's a house help. She's supposed to serve me.
Hey! If you don't keep quiet there, pants that you wore for yourself, you can't wash it. You are very stupid. You must be very stupid, Dorin. Now listen to me. Henceforth, You will wash your own clothes, your own dresses. Fee! You are washing your own panties.
Mommy, I can't.
If you thought I would slap you. If you don't wash them, you will see who will wash them for you. You will wash your own things, and also house chores. You will share house chores with them. You will do dishes. You will sweep the floor.
Mommy, she's our maid. You are paying her for that. I can't do all these things. I'm your daughter. I'm your only daughter. I can't be treating me like this. It's not fair, mommy.
Hey!
You are making her feel as if she's.
Come on, from you. Hey! You will see. What?
Hey, Dorin. I said now the way I'm free. My mom has gone to bring this maid.
Wow.
I don't do anything again. No. She washed everything, my clothes, plates, clean the house. She does everything. Now I'm free. I don't do anything.
Hey, wait. She does all this.
She does everything.
I wish you come and see what my housemaid is doing in the house. She washed my dresses and leave my panties unwashed. She talks back at me. Sometimes she walks out on me whilst I'm talking to her.
And you allow that in your own house.
It's my mom. My mom is tolerating her.
Not in my presence. She cannot do, my maid talk to me anyhow in my house, in my own house. She can't do that. See, you have to let her know her place in that house.
Exactly.
You have to let her know. You have to let her do everything, whatever in that house. You don't have to do anything, no. See, you have to rest, relax, and then sip your wine sometimes. Let her do everything. She can even snatch your boyfriend.
Never.
I know their type. I know their type. They
will
do
never fall
that
for that thing.
Thank you. What's your name?
I'm Mima.
Wow. Thank you. Who is she?
Our maid.
Wow. She's very respectful and well cultured. I only see these ladies in movies. I didn't know they exist in real life.
Hey! Did you say respectful? This girl, she doesn't respect anybody in this house. She does what she wants in this house. Can you imagine? I gave her my clothes. She washed their dress and left my panties.
What? You gave your panties to her to wash?
Of course.
Why do you give your panties to your fellow lady to wash it for you?
She's the house help, so she must serve me and do everything for me.
So if you can't wash your panties, how are you going to wash my singlet and my boxers when we get married?
You don't know what you're saying. Let me see.
Are you sacking me?
No. Let's go.
Do it for me, oh nyame. Do it for me, oh nyame. Change my life, change my life, change my life, change my life.
Let me warn you. That unsweet thing you've been doing whenever you see my boyfriend around. If you don't stop it, then people like you, I know your type. I know what you can do. Use your witchcraft to snatch your boyfriend, or in the name of I'm a good girl. My boyfriend will never stoop low for a thing like you. So just get it. Do you understand me? The next time you try it, you know me very well.
Nyamiri femui, mi shebrayana min krabia. Deliver me, oh I
Bro,
wanna feel
there is this lady I want to talk to you about. This lady is so respectful. She's respectful and cultured. Anytime I go to their house, she bows down to serve me. She even bows down to greet me. I like the girl. She's very humble. I mean, ladies like her are very rare to see these days.
Really?
I like her. I really like her. You need to meet her too.
Wait. What is so special about this girl that you keep on talking about her? Like, I don't know. Is she different from ladies we see day in day out?
Okay, she's a normal lady, but she's respectful, and that's what I like about her.
Oh.
Yes, I think you need to meet her. You do, yeah. You have to meet her. She's a very nice person. You like her,
Bro. See, the way your eyeballs are going round, saying you like her and stuff. My guy, don't try anything silly.
Oh, come on.
Don't try anything silly, because if you try, Dorin will tear you apart.
Oh no, Dorin can't do anything. But I just like her. I just like the girl. There's no.
Are you sure?
I just like her.
Wipes your tears. It silences your deepest shadow through the pain. A gentle voice calls your name.
Nyamiri femui, mi shebrana min krabia. Deliver me, oh I wanna feel special. Nyamiri femui, mi shebrana min krabia. Deliver me, oh I wanna feel special. Do it for me, oh Nyami. Do it for me, oh Nyami. Change my life, change my life. Change my life, change my life, do it for me. Oh.
Hey, Mimuna, see, I'm done eating. So go and try the table and wash the plate, okay? Wait, did you just chuckle at me? Did you just do that? I don't blame you. I blame my mother for tolerating your nonsense. Do you know who you are? You are a common house help. A maid. A commoner. You are not my co-equal. Do you get that? Now move. I'm talking to you. I don't have your time. Because you are not my class. But better go there before my mom comes out. I don't want to see her complain. Do you get that? Look at this thing, oh. A common maid chuckling at me.
It's like no Balansha.
Mommy, I'm trying to have a look.
Okay. See, I don't like the way and manner that maid of a girl behaved towards me. Can you imagine? Mommy, I'm beginning to lose it.
Are you done?
I'm talking to you.
I'm asking if you are done.
I'm not done, Mommy.
Okay, I'm listening.
Mommy, can you imagine? I told her to clear the table. When I was done eating, she chuckled and left. Sometimes when I order her to clean my room, she does it at her own pace. Mommy, I don't like it.
So that's it then. You know that you don't have sense. When God was creating you, you were in a hurry to come to this world, so you didn't wait to even receive small sense like this.
Mommy.
Hey, so you don't know that a girl of your age, or you're not a woman of your age, should be able to do these things that you are asking the house help to do.
Mommy, that's why she's our maid.
Yeah. So you don't know that even your boyfriend, you're at risk losing him.
Never.
Yeah.
I'll never lose him.
Let me ask you. Whenever he comes visiting, who serves him?
The maid, of course.
Hey, I call her with Jimmy Papa.
Ah, mommy.
Jimmy but I Hey, if that boy is wise and sensible, he will know who to choose out of you and that maid. See, I'm busy, okay?
Yes. Mommy, talk to her. Talk to her before I lose it. You know what I can do. Talk to her.
Nonsense.
Mimuna, get out the red friend. Add more corned beef and make salad. In fact, they have.
Dorin, so when are you going to cook for me? Anytime I come here, you instruct this lady to cook for me. Why don't you cook?
Is she not the housewife? Is she not supposed to serve me? She's doing exactly what she's been paid for.
Dorin, you are the one I'm going to marry, and I need you to cook for me. I want to taste your food.
Is it not food you want? Doesn't matter who cooks it. No, you just have to relax. When it's ready, you eat, and that's all.
Dorin, at least now that we are courting, as a nice lady like you have to cook for me, so that I can taste your food, so that when we get married, we wouldn't have any problem.
I'll get a house when we get married, okay? And besides, we can still order food from outside. Don't have to complain.
So are you going to order anytime we need food to eat when we marry? We can't be doing that.
We are not yet married and you are complaining. Relax, when we get to the bridge, we'll know how to cross it.
Dorin, I overheard you and your boyfriend talking. You're smiling. Dorin, you open your mouth and tell a man you want to marry that he should go and order food. And you will send your maid to cook for him. Who does that? Are you okay? Hey, don't you know that as a woman, your sole responsibility as a woman and a wife to be, and a wife, is to take good care of your husband, take care of your home, clean your room, especially laying of bed. It shouldn't be something you allow a maid to do. Washing your husband's clothes, and especially his underwears. Cooking, cleaning, making sure that your house is clean at all times. Your husband should never go hungry. You shouldn't decide that you want to even order food. That should be once in a while. But you think that no, ordering food is the best. Don't you know that all these things I mentioned is the way to a man's heart? Hey, I have been advising you, but you want to disgrace me, eh? I am trying so hard as a mother to train you and teach you how to be a wife material and not a slave queen. Dorin, Dorin, I am warning you. Okay, take it as an advice. I am advising you, Dorin. Dorin, change. I don't want a situation whereby you get married, finish, and then they will send you back to my house. If you come back crying to me, a word they say to a wise is enough. Dorin, how many times did I call you?
But what's wrong with me telling my husband to be that I'll get a maid when we get married?
Hey, Jai Jimienu wati. Jai Jimienu. I'm talking to you. Look at the nonsense you are saying. Me, I've said my own. One day, it should not look like I did not do my part. I have advised you. You don't want to understand. I don't want to listen. Eh? You don't want to listen to my advice. Hey, Dorin. Continue.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Do you remember me?
Yes, you are.
Frank, Dorin's friend.
Yes, sir, I remember you now.
No problem. I really liked you the last time I came to visit Dorin.
Thank you,
I
sir.
wanted to talk to you, but I didn't know how. Do you have enough time to talk?
No, sir. My madam has sent me, so I have to get back home in time.
Oh, no problem. Can I have your number so that we can talk?
It's quite unfortunate, I can't. What if I give it to you and then Dorin finds out about it? I'll suggest that if you have anything to tell me, when you come home to see her, you can say it in front of her, just to avoid any issues.
Oh, I mean no harm.
I know, sir, but my madam has sent me. She can say it to me back.
Masamia, oh mini obia, do it for me, oh nyame, do it for me, oh nyame, change my
What is Mima?
life.
I've sent her on an errand.
Change my life. Do it for me, oh.
What is it?
Mommy, Frank is not feeling well. He asked me to come over and prepare him like tea. You know I can't cook with my nails, so I wanted Memuna to go over and do it for him.
Hey. So you can't cook for your own boyfriend? Who will cook for your husband?
I'll get myself a house just as you have. Like mother, like daughter, you know.
Shut up there! Nonsense.
And I yet sent
Mommy, please, when she comes,
She's busy.
Mommy, tell her to come and see me when she comes back. Eh? It's urgent, please.
Where are you coming from?
I want to see my boyfriend, Frank.
Hey! You went to see your boyfriend? Dressed like this? Hey! One shirt pant. One more brazier.
Mommy, it's fashion.
Hey! It's fashion. Anyway, that's your boyfriend. Well, what is he called again?
Frank.
I want you to tell him, to come with his people, his parents, his family, to come and see me. And come and declare his intentions.
Mommy, he will come. He loves me, I love him. So surely, he will come with his family. Are you okay? Just relax for us, eh?
Hey, you think I'm joking, eh? If that boy doesn't come to come and see me, eh? You won't have peace in this house, oh.
Mommy, they will come. Just give us a little time. Me, I'm tired. I'm going inside.
Hey, you are tired. You are tired.
What's It's been a while now. We've been sitting here and you are not saying anything. But what's up? Talk to me, Charlie. Talk to me. I mean, you know, say, me, I be your brother, man. I be your G. You understand? Talk to me. What's up?
I want to break up with Dorin.
I want to break up with Dorin. Just like that. No, why? What's happening?
Dorin's attitude, it it keeps getting worse. It keeps getting worse day by day. She keeps nagging about little things that are not serious. And my mom is not even in support of our relationship because she says she's lazy. Do you know that one too?
See, bro, I really understand you. You understand? I really, really understand you. But what I would say is that, see, don't be in a rush to make this decision. You understand? I know what you are going through. I feel what you are going through. There is ups and downs in every relationship. You understand? Whatever is happening, it's part of a relationship. You complaining about your mom not liking her and she's lazy and a whole lot of stuff. Yeah, I understand. The two of you are in a relationship. You are now studying each other. You get it? When she goes wrong, just let her know her faults. And I believe she will pick up. You understand? But you breaking up with her just like that, I don't think it's the right decision for you. Dorin is what you've chosen. See, don't be in a rush because people are saying a whole lot of stuff about her. See, calm down, relax. I know the mood that you are inside. You understand? Charlie, relax.
Let me tell you something. Do you know, anytime I go to their house, I mean Dorin,
yeah,
she doesn't serve me water. It's the maid. I quite remember a certain day I was very sick. I asked Dorin to prepare me food. She made the housemaid cook the food and she brought it to me. I mean, who does that? Someone who can't even wash her panties. How is she going to wash my boxers? No, I can't marry a lady like that.
No, bro,
I can't.
Bro, I feel your pain, you know. I understand. If you visit them and she's not feeling like serving you or something like that, and Memuna does, I think it's normal. Yeah, because that's the job of Memuna. You get it? And she not washing her own panties and stuff. Charlie, bro, she be lady. It's all about time. As time goes on, with your help and teachings, she'll get to know all these things. You understand? See, don't listen to outsiders when it comes to relationship, bro. I'm telling you.
She's 16, sweet 16. She's 16 and she's on top of it all. She's 16.
Mima.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
I have a meeting to attend, but I've put some dirty clothes in the bathroom. Please make sure you wash them for me. There's one particular dress that I have to wear to a function tomorrow.
Okay.
So please make sure you do that quickly for me. Okay?
Yes.
Alright.
Yes, ma'am. Please, I would want to have a word with you.
Okay.
Please, for some time now, Dorin has been treating me in a way that I don't understand. She talks to me anyhow, sends me anyhow, and even sometimes insults me. I don't know what exactly have done wrong to her. I have taken her as my sister, but then she sees me otherwise. So, please, ma'am, I wanted you to ask her if I have done anything wrong to her, so that we'll find a way of solving this issue.
Memuna, I've heard you. And first of all, I'll say I'm very sorry. And I'll talk to her, okay? But I want to plead with you to please take her as your younger sister. And be patient. Just exercise patience for me, okay? I don't know what is wrong with these kids of nowadays. Like, I don't know if it's over pampering or what. But please, just be patient, okay? I'll make sure I deal with this issue. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Alright.
You look beautiful by the
Thank you. Alright, dear. Bye.
Bye.
A hand unseen wipes your tears. It silences your deepest fears. In the shadows, through the pain, a gentle voice calls your name.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Chief. I want you to lend me your ears for just 2 minutes.
Okay. What is it?
It's about my friend Dorin.
What has she done?
I want you to talk to Frank so that he breaks up with her.
Why?
See, you know what? Dorin doesn't know how to do anything. She doesn't know how to cook. Not to talk of even wash her panties. She can't do anything. So when you allow Frank to marry her, there's going to be a problem in the house. Dorin is too lazy for Frank to marry.
Wait. Dorin is your friend, right?
Yes, she is.
Yeah, so have you ever tried advising her on her attitude or something like that?
Dorin doesn't take any advice. She won't listen. She doesn't even listen to me. She doesn't even listen to me.
Okay, as you can see, I'm a little bit busy with the game, so we will talk about that later, okay?
Okay, I've heard you. But please, Chief, would you do it?
Oh yeah, why not?
Please try it and talk to him to me. Okay? Okay? Alright, let me also enjoy the game.
Memuna has complained about you.
Me?
She says you talk to her anyhow, you disrespect her, and you maltreat her. So I want to hear from you. What happened?
Hey, this girl can lie, mommy. This girl is a pathological liar. Me disrespect her in this house. Mommy, it's a lie. She rather walks out on me. She doesn't respect me, but me, I respect her. Mommy, I'm serious, eh? Believe me, I don't disrespect her in this house. Eee, she can lie, yo. It's true.
Dorin, you see these fingers? They are not equal. The fact that this one is longer than this one doesn't mean this one is useless. If you like, cut that your little finger off and you will see its usefulness. You now, I know you don't like working. You don't do anything in this house. Even your own panties, common panties, you can't wash. So I brought this girl to come and assist us. But what did you do? You end up maltreating the poor girl. Hey, Dorin. 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 I am warning you. If I hear any complaint again, if I ever hear any complaint, I will send you to the village to your grandmother. You will go and live with her.
I won't go anywhere.
You won't go anywhere. You will stay in this house.
Mommy, you see, when I talk to you about her, then you be shouting at me. You see, she's lodging a complaint about me, and you're here to.
Shut up, dear. You're talking as if I don't know you. Get up and go and get me a glass of juice. Pull this thing down.
What is the meaning of what you just said? No, how could you? How could you go in for Memune's number?
I just wanted to know her background and all. And moreover, she didn't even give me the number.
Just look at this. How can you go this low to a maid? For a maid to flex you with a number? How? No, you don't do that. See, what you are doing, if Dorin gets to know about this, the girl is dead, and you yourself, you can't stand this heat. You can't stand this heat.
You know, Memuna can't continue to be a house help in that house. She can't be a house help her whole life.
Wait. What are you trying to say? No, what is your interest in this? What is your interest in this, bro? You have your girlfriend. Dorin is your girlfriend, right? And Memuna is just a house help. So what is your interest in this? Bro? What is the big deal here, bro? See, this fire that you are lighting up, bro, I can't quench this fire with you. I'm telling you the fact. I can't quench this fire with you.
I hear you. But I didn't have any bad intentions. I just wanted to get to know her background. So maybe if I could help her in a way. That's all.
Oh.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
See, you are my brother. And you know I will support you in every move you pick. But with this move, trust me, I'm out. I'm not doing this move, bro. I'm not. No. How?
No, it's fine.
And lest I forget. Jane came to me the last time to complain about Dorin.
What was she saying? What was she actually saying?
She said I should advise you to break up with Dorin. That Dorin is lazy and a whole lot of stuff. But I didn't give her that.
See what she came to tell though. You see, human being. I've always been advising Dorin to stay away from Jane, but she doesn't listen. Now she's telling me to break up with Dorin. Don't mind that girl. She's not serious. Jane or whatever they call her. Don't mind her. She's not a good person.
See, I understand. Me, when she started, I knew she was there to gossip, so I didn't give her that attention.
Don't mind that girl. She's not serious.
Charlie, your issue is becoming unbecoming. Charlie, you spoil my mood self. Where I won't make you go sit there and chill small, Crampo. Right now, you know they're inside me, Charlie.
Oh, Charlie. Oh.
You know something? Charlie, go home, I'll go for you.
Charlie, I'm make sorry. Oh.
Go.
Charlie.
Dorin, what is it?
Mommy, Frank is not answering my calls. I went to his house. He saw me and he banged the gate at me.
Dorin, what did you do this time? What did you do to this guy?
I didn't do anything. I think there's something wrong somewhere.
You know what? I have a very important Zoom meeting in the next few minutes. You go to your room. When I'm done, I'll come over so we talk and we'll find a solution to this.
Mommy, please call him and talk to him for me.
Oh, Dorin! I said I will come.
Mommy, do this for me, okay? I love you, Mommy.
A hand unseen wipes your tears.
James, I'm suspecting something. I suspect my house help. Can you imagine? She gets some strange calls in the evening. Sometimes you see her texting. When she sees me, then she stops. Like my spirit is telling me she's hiding something from me. He called.
But babes, wait. Why should you be suspicious of a common maid receiving phone calls and then text messages?
Baby, you don't understand. You don't understand. See, on 2 occasions, my boyfriend made a certain statement about her. That thing baffles my mind all the time. I think she's hiding something, no. Hey, this girl.
Hey. But wait, if Frank could stick too low for that commoner, then I shall give him a... Hey, Frank.
See, I've been telling my mom to drive that girl away. But she will never listen. She will never take her out of the house. Maybe if she does something bad and I complain, my mom will be defending her. God.
See, It's high time you do something. It's high time you do something. Just sack that girl out of the house. You know you are the mommy's girl. So whatever that you have to convince your mom. You have to convince her to sack that girl. Whatever. See, even if just faints.
You won't understand. My mom keeps supporting this job. Please. My mom defends her every time.
Hey.
A
That
hand
girl.
unseen wipes your tears. It silences your deepest fears. In the shadows, through the pain, a gentle voice calls your name. Feel the warmth, so soft, so true. Healing flows from me to you. Oh, divine touch, ever near. Your love dispels.
You cannot believe this.
What is it this time around? Every day you have something to talk about. What is it this time around?
Dorin called me, crying and shouting that Frank is not picking up her calls.
How true is that?
I don't know. She's saying that she suspects Frank is going out with a maid, Mima.
But how can Frank leave Dorin for Memuna? Just a common housemaid.
My sister. Ask again, oh. Ask again. See, I just can't wait to see how the story will unfold.
What do you mean by that?
Hey, Dorin has promised heaven and earth to deal bitterly with both of them.
See, your friend Dorin, you girls are too young to talk about boyfriend-girlfriend matter. You guys should find something to do with your life. And stop this gossiping every day.
See, me, I don't like that too. I don't like that. What? Are you not my friend? Is this a gossip? Next time when I hear something, I'm not coming to tell you.
Soft and kind,
Jane!
it brings peace to heart and mind. Through the storm, your grace will stay, guiding my soul to brighter days. Divine touch, oh pure and true. Forever I'll be.
What is going on between you and my boyfriend?
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Oh, you will never understand. You pretender. Huh? You can pretend. Oh, wait, oh. So all this while that you've been sneaking out of the house, making phone calls late at night, you've been talking to my boyfriend. Hey, I said it. People like you, I know your type. You use your witchcraft to bewitch people's boyfriends, or in the name of I'm a good girl. Hey, I swear, I'll make sure my mom drives you out of this house. If she doesn't, I'll do it myself. Mark my words. You, house help. Hey! You regret it. Frank, what's this? Why do you keep rejecting my calls? You don't even reply my messages. What's going on?
I've been busy. I'm doing something for a friend in the States.
Oh, so that stops you from answering my calls, right? You even give me blue ticks. You giving me blue ticks. Who does that?
I said I've been busy. When I'm less busy, I'll come home so that we talk.
See, there's no need for you to come to my house. I am here now. Let's go inside and talk.
No, not today. I said I'm busy. I'm doing something inside there. We'll talk later. Bye.
Frank! Hey! Did he just do that? Oh, no problem. We shall see.
When the night is cold and long, your hand turns my weeping into to song. In the valley where I
Mom, what are you doing in my room?
You know your room is always dirty. Look at this. That's why you're always scared when you see me in your room.
Mommy, do you know what is going on? Mommy, do you know Muna is texting my boyfriend? In fact, she's snatching my boyfriend.
Hey, Dorin, where from all this? This poor girl, you have started cooking up lies against her again. Why? Why are you doing this?
Mommy, I'm serious about this.
Are you sure? Are you sure of what you are saying, Dorin?
Mommy, I'm serious about it. You remember I told you she's been sneaking out of the house when you're not around? And she gets some strange calls too. Not knowing it was my boyfriend this girl was talking to. Hey, Mommy, listen. When I call him, he doesn't answer. When I go to his house, I don't meet him. So imagine, she's snatching my boyfriend. Mommy, let me ask you. When was the last time you saw Frank in this house? Mommy, this girl, I don't know what to do to her anymore. Mommy, warn her. She's snatching my boyfriend. Mommy, if you don't drive her out of this house this very moment, I'll leave. Mommy, I'm serious. Drive her out or I will rather leave. Decide. I'm very serious about this. If you don't do something about it, I'll leave this house and you won't find me anywhere again.
You know I like you very well. And I trust you.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to ask you a question and I need you to be as honest as you can.
Okay, ma'am.
What is going on between you and Dorin's boyfriend, Frank?
Nothing is going on, ma'am. Just that anytime he comes to visit, Dorin calls me to serve him. That's all.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
So, you don't message him, text, have any intimate conversation with him or any sort?
Ma, the last time I served him, he complimented me and took my number. Then later on in the evening, he just sent me greetings. That was all.
Okay. I just wanted to take Dorin as your sister. And anything that will cause any problem or issues between the both of you, I want you to desist from it, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much.
You can continue what you are doing. I'll be my
A hand unseen
Bye.
wipes your tears. It silences your deepest fears.
Frank,
In the shadows,
your girlfriend came to
through the pain.
complain bitterly. Dorin. She says when she calls you, you don't pick. When she visits you, immediately you see her, you just bang door on her. Like, what is happening? What is going on?
Look, Chief, let's forget about this Dorin girl. Let's talk about something important, okay?
You can't tell me this. No, you can't tell me this. Bro, you are my friend. And Dorin is your girlfriend. So if Dorin has come to complain about you to me, how do you expect me to rubbish this issue? No. We have to solve it.
Look, Chief, I've explained stuff to you that I'm running an errand for my friend in the States. I've been busy. I need to finish up with this project. There's not enough time. And I've explained this to Dorin several times. I even explained it to her mom and she understood. I don't know why Dorin is making a big deal out of this. This is very easy to understand. There's not anything serious.
Bro, see, I always tell you, see, you have to man up. You understand? Face your fears. Tell her, let her know what she has to know. It's about time you let her know her stance. That is better than you leaving her at ransom. You get it?
No, I don't know what to tell Dorin again. I've already explained stuff to her several times. You know what? She can go ahead and break up with me if that's what she wants.
Healing flows from
My love, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for honoring my invitation. Okay. The reason I called you here is because of my daughter. For some time now, she has been moody and sad. And I was wondering what was going on, so I spoke to her and she told me that you have not been responding to her calls, you don't even welcome her in your house anymore and all. So I said, let me call you and then hear from you as well. So that's why I called you.
Thank you very much. It's not as if I've broken up with her as she's saying. I told her I need some space. Of late, she's been complaining about everything I do. She finds fault with everything I do. And I told her I need some space. I've not broken up with her.
Anyway, thank you. Thank you. I've heard you. And I will do my best to talk to Dorin. And hopefully you guys will be able to patch things up. Because I was actually hoping that you will come with your family to come and declare your intentions. And then this is happening. So I'll do my part. I will talk to her and then make sure that at least you guys are able to patch things up.
Thank you very much. I just hope she listens to you and change her attitude.
She will.
Thank you.
All right. So let me go upstairs. I'll call her for you so you guys can talk.
All right.
Thank you.
Divine touch, soft and kind. It brings peace to heart and mind.
My babes, why on earth would Frank go in for that commoner? For that common maid? Eh?
Why wouldn't he? Huh? Why wouldn't he? Anytime he comes to the house, he sees the maid washing dishes, washing clothes. You girl will be sitting in the house doing nothing. He sees more of a woman in the girl than you. In fact, a marriage material. He wants a wife, not a slave queen.
But wait, so how did you know Frank is going out with that maid?
He's not answering my calls. Can you imagine? I don't know what came over me, so I took this girl's phone. I saw their chat. Sometimes when mom is not around, you see her sneaking out of the house. I called him to confront him and this guy was shouting at me, then he hung down.
You see what I told you girls? It's better you take advice. It will help you. Me, I have maid though. It's not like I don't have. I have, but I do house chores.
Enough! Instead of you to tell her something to calm down. Look at what you are saying. Huh?
I'm calming her down though, but
Babes.
it's good I advise her, okay? Keep my advice.
See, I am here for you. Okay? I get your back. Whatever that you decide. Well, let me tell you something.
Could you believe I went to Frank's place? The gate man was about to open the gate for me. He rather came out, received me outside. The worst of it all is that he even entered and banged the gate at me. Wait, let me call him. You see? Ha! God. He rejected my call again.
He hung up. Hey! Wait, oh. So you mean Frank promised you? He promised to come to your house and he didn't show up?
Exactly.
Hey! Frank rejected you. He hung up on you. Wait, let me try his number.
Sure.
Hey! See,
Hey.
he hung up on me.
He knows your number. He knows your number.
Frank hung up on me just because of that thing.
Hey, I will deal with this guy. Hey, I will show him pepper. You will regret ever knowing me.
See, you have to do something.
Of course.
We have to show him something. Because of that thing.
Frank. Let's go. I will know how to handle that thing. Let's go. Frank, you will regret. Hey, Mima, what are you doing here, my room?
She asked me to clean your room, so that's what I'm doing.
Have I not warned you times with that number not to step foot into my room again? You this girl, wait, don't let me get
What is going on here? Dorin, what is wrong with you? What has gotten into you? I said, what's going on here?
I only came to dress her room. I don't know the reason why she's angry.
I've told you not to come to my room again. I hate you, you're a bad news, you're a witch.
Mima, you excuse us, okay? You can go do something else. Hey, what is wrong with you? Hey? You told me about this issue and I said, give me some time to investigate and get to the root of the matter. Why are you taking the matter into your own hands?
This is the same thing you've been repeating all the time. Mommy, I've told you to take her out of this house, else you won't believe what I will do. And I mean it.
Hey, are you walking out of me? Hey, Dorin! Will you please say whatever you came here to say so that I can leave?
Why are you doing this? Fine. Dorin has been complaining that you dumped her. When she calls you, you don't pick her calls.
Listen, I've not dumped anyone. I just told her I need time for myself. And I'm working on a project for my friend in the States. That's all.
Frank, even I tried calling you, but you hung up.
I already told you, I need time for myself. I'm working on a project for my friend in the States. Isn't this simple to understand? I don't have anything against Dorin. And as I said, I've been busy working on a project for my friend in the States. That's why.
She's suspecting you're going out with a maid.
She can suspect whatever she wants.
I am not as bad as you think I am. I am not bad at all. See, let me tell you something. Dorin is talking too much. She's doing too much. She has been ranting and cursing you and Maimuna that you guys are flirting. What is going on?
Wait, are you here to complain to me about Dorin or you are here to convince me to go back to Dorin? Which is which?
I am not a bad person. I am not as bad as you think I am. Dorin is my friend and I am here to find a solution to this problem.
Madam, I'm not going out with any maid. And I can see you have nothing else to say. So I'll have to take my leave.
Frank, you can't just leave me here all alone.
Do you have anything else to tell me again? Of course. Take care.
Frank!
A hand unseen wipes your tears.
Frank!
It silences your deepest fears. In the shadows, through the pain, a gentle voice
Please, I can't sit. When you called, I was busy doing something at home. So whatever you have to tell me, say it, let me leave.
Please, come and see the rest of any issue that is between you guys.
I said I'm not sitting down. I said I need a break. I'm doing something for a friend in abroad and I can't continue with this relationship again. I just need some time for myself. That's it. I
Frank,
just need a break. That's it.
do you mean it's over between us? After all what we've shared together, now what did I do to you? What did I do to deserve this? Take it easy. No, don't tell me to take it easy. You can't just choose and jump in like that. How can I just waste my time and tell me it's over? What did I do to deserve it? Take it easy.
You see?
You can't use and
You
jump
see?
me.
I can't continue with this again.
Frank,
I'm leaving.
Frank, let him go. Allow him to leave. Who does he think he is? Frank, leaving me. Just shut up. Hey, allow him to go.
Forever I'll be healed
What?
by you, by
Who even said I loved him that much?
when the night
Look at you.
is cold and long.
Memuna,
Ma,
Your hand
what did you say happened?
Ma, I was going through my usual route when two boys just suddenly appeared out of nowhere at knife points and asked me to give them everything I have. They took all the money and the small phone I have on me.
Hey, lies. I mean, this girl can lie you. Oh, so you have finally succeeded with your plans. Mommy, I saw this girl giving money to a certain woman to keep for her. I'm sure she has started doing susu. You want to save money so that when we drive you out of this house, you use it to buy short dress to seduce the boys in your village. Mommy, I told you this girl, she's a liar, a criminal, a thief,
Hey, shut up there. Shut up. You get out of here. Get out.
Mommy, I don't like how you are defending this girl. She has stolen your money and you are still defending her.
I said shut up and get out of here. Are you okay?
I know what I'm talking about.
I said shut up and get out. Thief. Criminal. Memuna,
Ma,
next time you have to be very careful, like extra careful. Eh? Now I have to go and look for extra money for us to get food stuff in the house. You know we don't have anything in the house. Eh? I have to get you a taxi that will just take you straight to the market or something. You go out. Let me see what I can get and then I'll call you.
okay, Ma. But Ma, I'm very sorry. I honestly didn't give any money to anybody anywhere. I promise you. You know I can't do that.
It's okay. Don't worry.
Okay, Ma.
What is all this? What is all this? Eh? Now money is stolen. Who knows what will happen again? I'm tired of all this. Eh? I have to go and look for extra money again. Oh.
Oh, Memuna. You are crying. You know what? Reserve some of the tears because I have more to come. You competing with me, hey, in my own mother's house. Ah. And you are snatching my boyfriend. Hey, you know what? You've beaten more than you can chew. I pity you because I have a bunch of lies for you. I've just started with you. If I were you, I would have packed my things long ago. But you're so stubborn. Hey! Relax and enjoy my show. I have more for you. I have more lies for you. Continue crying. Boyfriend snatcher, cry for me.
There was this lecturer that came to class last week and he's so funny. Jane, why are you so sad?
I'm not happy.
Why are you not happy?
I think I did something wrong and my spirit is not happy.
What did you do?
I gave some nasty advice to Dorin to implement on Maimuna. And I feel so guilty about it.
See, Jane, it's not everyone we treat badly. See, there are some people that have this spirit around them naturally that punish anyone that do them wrong. Be careful you don't fall a victim to that.
So what do I do?
Just pray to God for forgiveness and everything will be okay. Come on, cheer up. Everything will be fine, don't worry. Okay.
The problem I'm sitting on is not a joke. Your niece, Dorin, this girl has become so lazy that she can't do anything for herself. Even to wash her own panties is a problem. So I decided that, okay, let me get as a help. So that, the person will assist. Hey, now there is worse. Everything Dorin wants this girl to do. Cleaning her room, washing the plates, feeding her. Do you believe that the last time Dorin fought this girl for not washing her pants? As if that's not enough. Do you know the worst part of it? Dorin is saying that Maimuna has snatched her boyfriend. So that's why I called you, say maybe you can give. I don't know what to do anymore.
But sister, let me ask you. Is it true that the girl is snatching her boyfriend?
Sincerely, I have investigated into this matter and I don't think Maimuna can do such a thing. Besides, she's denying the fact that she did that. But looking at this girl, she can't do that. She can't. But Dorin is insisting that Maimuna has snatched her boyfriend. Brother, what am I going to do? She's threatening to leave the house if I don't send Maimuna away. Brother, what do I do?
Sister, you know something? You see, in this world, the only child you have is Dorin. You just have a child. So everything you do, you must bear in mind that it's only a child you have. And all your concentration and everything should be on her. So please, I want you to go into this issue deep down. Get to know the truth. If it is true, my dear, please, let this house girl go. Because if you don't do that and this your daughter leaves home, where are you going to find her? Who else will you call a daughter? Because coming from mommy, she told me to let you know that Dorin has been calling her, saying she's not happy with the way you are treating and all that. So please, she's all that we've got to, sister. That's the only child God gave you. Please.
Bro, also, this situation is a very dicey one.
It is.
Seriously. I don't know. How do I send this girl away?
That is one.
Maimuna.
It's quite unfortunate that things have turned out this way. With the way things are going, money getting missing, and all the fights with my daughter, I feel it's even becoming unhealthy for you staying here. So I decided that I will let you go. I really regret this decision, but at this moment, I don't see the best way to go about this whole thing. So please, I'm so sorry about this, but I have to relieve you of your duties. This is the best I can do for now. You know I like you so much. I do, I really like you, and I love your attitude towards work and all that, but I just have to let you go at this point.
Thank you very much, Ma. I understand you perfectly well, and I know you don't have any issues with me. Myself, I'm equally confused as to why, when you send me to town, the money gets stolen, and why your daughter Dorin is always fighting with me. I understand you, and I think it's best if I also leave. I think that would bring peace to your family. Right now, all I have to do is to call my mom and inform her about the changes, so I should be expecting me back home.
You don't worry, I'll give you 3 months of your salary, okay? So at least you can use that time to search for another job. And just know that I will always wish you the best. Thank you very much. And I also want to thank you for the time you've spent with us and everything. Just want to say thank you. Okay.
Thank you too much. I was preparing your meal, so you can continue.
Thank you.
Oh my God, baby.
Excuse me.
Oh my God. Have you come back for my daughter?
Oh no, you came to pick me, Mina. Yeah. All this while the conversation I've been having with Maimuna, it's not as if I was supposing love to her. It was my friend here who was interested in her. I told him about how good Maimuna is and he developed an interest in her. So he asked me to link them both together. So we are here to take her home so that we can get her married. But as for your daughter here, Dorin, I can't go on with her again. She's not a lady I can get married to. I can't marry someone who can't cook for me when I'm sick. Who would rather send Maimuna to come and cook for me. Oh no. I can't be in a marriage with someone my family wouldn't be proud of. So as for Dorin, we can't go on again. We've broken up. So, Maimuna is living with us this moment.
Gentlemen, you are welcome.
Thank you, ma.
And thank you, Frank. Thank you very much. You deserve it. She's a good girl and you deserve it. I pray that God will bless your marriage and you'll be happy. Okay? God bless you.
Let me help you.
It's really hard. ODB, be on the beat. She's a girl, little girl, but she feels she's on top of the world.
Are you crying? Better. When we talk to you, you don't want to listen. That is it.
Want to make tacky. She is ready. Then you breathe. Always busy. Want to make tacky. She is ready. Then you breathe. Always busy. But she's 16. Sweet 16. She's 16 and she's on top of the world. She's 16, yes. 16, yes. 16 and she's on top of the world. But she's 16, sweet 16. She's 16 and she's on top of the world. She's 16, yes. 16, yes. 16 and she's on top of the world. Hey, by the way, travel, yeah. I see many way, and then you bet on a métier. Missy so, and yes, my basso. Missy so, oh, free me so. Missy so, and yes, my basso. Missy so, oh, free me so. But she's 16, sweet 16. She's 16 and she's on top of the world. She's 16, yes.
And unseen wipes your tears. It silences your deepest fears. In the shadows, through the pain, a gentle voice calls your name. Feel the warmth, so soft, so true. Healing flows from me to you. Oh, divine touch, ever near. Your love dispels every fear. divine touch, soft and kind. It brings peace to heart and mind. Through the storm, your grace will stay, guiding my soul to bright.